I'll show you in this video how to trim your sound to start in your video where you want it to start from. So if you're interested, give me a follow, save, like, and share the video. And guys, let's go and I will show you. So the very first step is go to your page on TikTok and click on the plus sign, which is the sign to record a video. Just go ahead and record your video like you would normally do. Now, after you had recorded the video that you want to record, look at by the right hand side, the red check there, click on it. That shows that you are done recording your video. So when you click on that, you see up where it says add sound. Click on that icon that says add sound. Now I'm going to go ahead and click on that. So at this point, you can either select sound from the recommended or you select from your favorites, which is the one you had already saved, or you can select a sound that you recently used, which comes under the one recent, or you can click on the search icon to search for any sound of your choice. Now, I'm going to go ahead and select this sound. So you select the sound. The next thing is, you see where there is scissors icon on the right hand side of that song that you selected. Click on that particular scissors. Now what that tells you is that scissors is editing scissors that you can use to trim the sound that you had added. Remember, the topic of this video is to set the sound where you want it to start from. Now you've clicked on the scissors, drag the sound, like I'm doing it here, drag the sound to suit where you want it, exactly the point you want it. You know, there are some sounds, many of these sounds, you know, they start with, they're not even talking or something like that. So there's a particular place that you want it to start from. So drag it until it gets to that point. And now when you get the point you want, click on done. So when you click on done, there is another thing I'm going to show you. Go back to that sound, click on it. When you click on it, look down where there is original sound checked in red, which is your voice, what you had said in the video. Now, there is volume. Click on volume. Now, when you click on volume, it's giving you the option here to reduce or add the volume of either the original sound, which is your voice, or the added sound, which is the one you just added, right? If you want your voice to be low, you just click on that, hold it on and drag it to the left. That means you're reducing the sound of your voice in this video. Now, if you want the added sound to be low so that your voice can be heard, so click on that, on the added sound, and drag it to the left to reduce the sound so that your voice can be heard in the video. Now, when you've done all of this, you set it as you want. Like, now the next thing is click on done. And yeah, so when you click on done, that is it. You have trimmed the sound to the point you want it to start playing from. And you had also set the volume, not only the volume of your original sound, but the volume of the added sound as well. So guys, this is how to do this. If you find value in this video, give me a follow, comment, like, save, and share the video. I hope this helps. You're welcome.